Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about history of Fortran or Formula Translator Programming Language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. History of Fortran. Fortran, short for Formula Translation, is one of the oldest high-level programming languages designed for numerical and scientific computing. Here's a brief history of Fortran. Number 1. Development 1950s. Fortran was first developed by IBM or International Business Machines Corporation in the 1950s. The initial version, Fortran 1, was introduced in 1957 for the IBM 704 computer. Number 2, Fortran 2, 1958. IBM released Fortran 2 in 1958, which included several improvements over the original version. Number 3, Fortran 4, 1962. Fortran 4, released in 1962, became widely popular and standard in the industry. This version introduced many new features, including character data types and subprograms, subroutines, and functions. Number 4, Fortran 66, 1966. Fortran underwent a significant revision in 1966, resulting with Fortran 66. This version standardized the language and many new features were added, including the do loop and the if-then-else statement. Number 5, Fortran 77 or 1977. Fortran 77, released in 1977, brought further improvements in standardization. It introduced features like structured programming constructs, block if statements, and complex data types. Number 6, Fortran 90, 1991. Fortran 90 marked a major overhaul of the language, introducing many modern features. This version added dynamic memory allocation, modules, recursion, and array operations. Number 7, Fortran 95, 1997. Fortran 95 was a minor revision, mainly clarifying and correcting some issues in Fortran 90. Number 8, Fortran 2003-2004. Fortran 2003 introduced features like object-oriented programming or OOP constructs, improved interoperability with C, and support for parallel programming. Number 9, Fortran 2008-2010. Fortran 2008 brought further enhancements, including co-arrays for parallel programming, enhancements to the language's array features, and additional intrinsic procedures. Number 10, recent developments. Fortran continues to be used in scientific and high-performance computing due to its efficiency in handling numerical calculations. While Fortran is no longer as dominant in general-purpose programming, it remains a crucial language in specific domains. Fortran's long history and ongoing development reflect its resilience and adaptability in the scientific and engineering communities. Despite the emergence of newer languages, Fortran continues to play a vital role in high-performance computing and scientific applications. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on a brief history of Fortran or Formula Translation Programming Language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.